assembly packages. Today we are going to discuss about PASI component packages on their size and their naming. Let's go to DigiKey and I'll show you the commonly available packages for small PASI components. Here we are looking into chip resistors. You can see there are a wide number of packages available. So we are concentrating mainly on the smaller packages like O201 package to 1210 package. As you can see, the metric package name is written in the bracket and the imperial package name is written outside the bracket. Here I have added a table showing the relation between the package name and the dimension of the package. The package name is written both in imperial system as well as metric system. The JEDEC standard is based on the imperial system. So here is how the package name is related to the dimension. For example, 0201 imperial package name refers to a component of dimension length 0.02 inch and width 0.01 inch. When you look at the next row, you can see a package with the package name 0402, that is 0402 in imperial system, has a dimension of 0.04 inch length and 0.02 inch width. So from this you can understand the first two digits of the package name can be obtained from the length dimension by considering the two digits to the right of the decimal point, and the last two digits of the name can be found from the width written in inch by using the two digits after the decimal point. So for the next one we can see this for 0603 package. We can see that the dimension is 0.06 inch into 0.03 inch. Now with regard to the metric system, that 0201 imperial package is referred as 0603 metric package. 0603 metric package has a dimension of 0.6 mm and into 0.3 mm, and a 0402 imperial package has 1005 metric package name. It has a dimension of 1.0 mm into 0.5 mm. So here you can understand the metric package name can be written as the first two digits come from the length and the second two digits come from the width. Here you can see that we write the length as well as width in single decimal point form, and we choose both the digits, one to the left and one to the right of the dimension. That is 1005 means 1.0 mm into 0.5 mm. Here I have added the datasheet of a thick film resistor series from Panasonic. Here is a part numbering scheme and you can see the section measuring the size. That is the 1GN code is used for 021 in the imperial system, that is 0603 in the metric system, and you can see up to 2512 package is available in the series. Now let us see the dimensions marked below. This is a diagram showing the dimension. As you can see in the diagram, there is a length and width marked. So in the table, as we look, we can see in ERJ1G, that part number, the length is 0.6 mm and the width is 0.3 mm. That is 0603 in metric form and 0201 in imperial form. There are other packages also shown below. For better understanding of the size of the packages, I have placed some of the commonly used packages in a 5 cm into 5 cm PCB.